Hi, bright learners. How does a dad help us grow? He loves, he protects, he teaches. Today, let's see 50 simple sentences about Dad. Let's start. Dad changes the diaper.
Dad changes the diaper.
Dad feeds the baby.
Dad feeds the baby.
Dad bathes the baby.
Dad bathes the baby.
Dad rocks me to sleep.
Dad rocks me to sleep.
Dad cooks healthy meals.
Dad cooks healthy meals.
Dad makes my breakfast.
Dad makes my breakfast.
Dad drives me to school.
Dad drives me to school.
Dad picks me up.
Dad picks me up.
Dad takes care of me.
Dad takes care of me.
Dad protects our family.
Dad protects our family.
Dad keeps me safe.
Dad keeps me safe.
Dad fixes my broken toys.
Dad fixes my broken toys.
Dad plays with me.
Dad plays with me.
Dad reads me stories.
Dad reads me stories.
Dad tells funny jokes.
Dad tells funny jokes.
Dad plays soccer with me.
Dad plays soccer with me.
Dad plays catch with me.
Dad plays catch with me.
Dad takes me out.
Dad takes me out.
Dad goes camping with me.
Dad goes camping with me.
Dad builds blocks with me.
Dad builds blocks with me.
Dad flies kites with me.
Dad flies kites with me.
Dad swims with me.
Dad swims with me.
Dad rides bikes with me.
Dad rides bikes with me.
Dad walks in the park with me.
Dad walks in the park with me.
Dad shares his hobbies with me.
Dad shares his hobbies with me.
Dad teaches me rules.
Dad teaches me rules.
Dad helps with my homework.
Dad helps with my homework.
Dad teaches me to ride a bike.
Dad teaches me to ride a bike.
Dad answers all my questions.
Dad answers all my questions.
Dad teaches me right from wrong.
Dad teaches me right from wrong.
Dad shows me the world.
Dad shows me the world.
Dad guides my way.
Dad guides my way.
Dad gives good advice.
Dad gives good advice.
Dad teaches me to tie my shoes.
Dad teaches me to tie my shoes.
Dad makes great barbecue.
Dad makes great barbecue.
Dad explains things clearly.
Dad explains things clearly.
Dad always loves me.
Dad always loves me.
Dad hugs me tight.
Dad hugs me tight.
Dad smiles at me.
Dad smiles at me.
Dad listens to me.
Dad listens to me.
Dad encourages me.
Dad encourages me.
Dad cheers for me.
Dad cheers for me.
Dad makes me brave.
Dad makes me brave.
Dad supports my dreams.
Dad supports my dreams.
Dad comforts me.
Dad comforts me.
Dad is proud of me.
Dad is proud of me.
Dad works very hard.
Dad works very hard.
Dad fixes everything.
Dad fixes everything.
Dad loves my mom.
Dad loves my mom.
Dad sets a good example.
Dad sets a good example.
Dad never gives up.
Dad never gives up.
Dad keeps his promises.
Dad keeps his promises.
Dad is my hero.
Dad is my hero.
You are the best!
You are the best.
That is all for today. Dad loves us every day. Do you love your dad? Say, I love you, Dad, today. Thank you for watching Bright Learners. See you next time. Bye!